Hello 2R, how you guys doing? Doing my weekly video just to let you know what's coming your way this week. You have school off on Monday. Congratulations, enjoy it. Hopefully the weather will be nice for you. Tuesday, you have your research paper outline due to myself and Magister Daily. Again, it's got to be shared with us in a Word document, and yeah, you have to send it to both of us. Please email both of us because we're going to grade them together. Do everything you can to make sure that that's turned in on time. It makes it increasingly difficult for us to do our job and get you the feedback you need if you're continually turning things in late. We have our audio chat on Wednesday, which I'm just going to cover the documents for the DBQ that is due on Thursday. So the DBQ, the prompt is to discuss and analyze the factors that led to European imperialism in the 19th century. You're going to need a clear thesis. You're going to need to provide context, which is like the big picture, what's going on around the time of imperialism. I talk about, the Industrial Revolution, Second Industrial Revolution, and then you analyze the docs. And I think I give you 7 docs. You choose 5 of them, just like the other DBQs we've written this year. That's due Thursday. Due the following Monday is going to be the first section of Chapter 23, which is World War I, and there's some questions you have to answer for that. Our discussion board, I'm going to have you read a couple of pages from our textbook, 708 to 709, a snippet from a story by George Orwell, author of Animal Farm, called Shooting an Elephant, which deals with imperialism. And so that's really what's on tap for the week. If you have questions, again, on that outline, the sooner you get those to me and Magister Daily, the better. If it's a lit question, those need to go to Magister Daily, not to me. So make sure that you get your questions to the appropriate teacher. Be thinking about what your paper is going to look like and the sources you're going to use. And hope you guys have a good week, and I'll talk to you soon.